Increase safety, protect drivers, defend against false claims. Microlise helps you manage the safety of your drivers and your company's reputation. Contextual speeding allows you to see when drivers have exceeded the posted speed limit, allowing you to manage the performance of your drivers in debrief. Speeding, along with other behaviours like harsh acceleration and over-revving, can be fed into the driver feedback module on the Drive tab, warning the driver and giving them time to correct before it's recorded on the system. Drivers also have peace of mind with panic alarms, which, when triggered, alert the office to emergencies such as hijack or ill health. When an incident happens, whether an accident or near miss, the incident data recorder will provide detailed vehicle information from 30 seconds before to 30 seconds after incidents take place. Information such as speed, RPM, clutch, accelerator positions, and when the brake pedal was applied is available. This detailed information can be coupled with real-world footage captured through the integrated ClearVision multi-camera solution to give a complete picture of what really happened, with blind spot visibility and proximity sensors available to support your drivers. Protect your fleet and drivers and enhance your safety standards.